Hey everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's hopefully very short YouTube video, I want to ask you guys, my followers and subscribers, a question, and I want to pose it to you guys and get the general response down in the comments below. And it means a lot to me. That's why I chose to set up the camera and actually film asking this question and kind of elaborate more on it instead of it just being a throwaway question on social media or the YouTube community page or something like that. What I want to know is, what do you guys want to see as far as the future of the Wednesday edition YouTube channel uploads on the Artisan Pirate channel? Keep in mind, Monday is always going to be some form of woodworking video. That is the main thing for this channel, and I'm sure that's what 90% of you guys clicked on the subscribe button for. And I truly appreciate it and truly appreciate each and every one of you. But over the years, the channel has evolved and now includes Wednesday videos, and I'm having a lot of fun with those. Like with the train room videos, I don't have nothing new to show you there until the main layout gets built. So those are kind of on pause. I know a couple weeks ago I'd done a scroll saw blade clamp, my general knowledge of them, and made that a Wednesday video instead of a main Monday video, and it went over real well. Do you guys want to see more things like that? Like maybe how I go about prepping for projects and getting things put on the wood and getting it ready for filming on YouTube. I know when I start the videos, everything is already cut, attached, and prepped, and we're ready to go to the drill press and the scroll saw. Do you guys want to see my prep process? Also, do you guys want to see me take the camera with me when I go on the road? Maybe when I travel to the beach, maybe when we may take a day trip with the family to the mountains or something, and document stuff in that form to where you can see kind of the world through my eyes and see my enthusiasm for life and everything like that. Just please let me know. I do know once the heat wave and summer officially ends and we can get some crisper mornings, I want to dig out all of my old Hot Wheels tracks, get them cleaned up, cataloged and organized, and do videos on my classic Hot Wheels tracks. I'm having a lot of fun with those, and those will be more like the train room videos, just showing off the sets and test running them a while. I'm really excited to do those because it just brings back a nostalgia factor for me. The older I get, the more nostalgia plays a part in the way I make decisions and everything. But really, really cool. And also, do you want me to take the camera on the road with me and maybe see some sights around Burlington, my hometown, like where just stuff is, like places I like to go eat, things like that? Again, I want to keep rocking and rolling with the Wednesday videos as long as I feel comfortable and not rushed to make them. You know, if it ever gets to a point where I feel burnt out, I won't do them. And hopefully that never happens. I'm having so much fun here on the channel, and I truly appreciate each and every one of you guys for following along. Please let me know down in the comments below what you guys want to see as opposed to the Wednesday uploads. Keep in mind, nothing's going to change with the Monday uploads, and those will always be woodworking videos. As always, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel and also follow me over on Instagram at Artisan Pirate. Links to all my social medias as well as ways to contact me will be down in the description box below in every one of my form of woodworking videos, as well as any video I do upload. And that's about all for this one. And remember, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.